It's time to cook with Susan Beck. I'm here today for part 4 of how to use your rice cooker. And you might think, how many different times can I cook rice? But I am going to show you all the different ways you can use this rice cooker for things besides rice. I've already made brown rice in my rice cooker in one of my videos. I've steamed vegetables and I have even steamed fish. Today we're going to take these 6 eggs and turn them into hard-boiled eggs using my steamer. This steamer will need water in the bottom of it. I have 120 milliliters of water. I just used the measuring cup that came with my rice cooker. In goes the steaming basket, and then I have these 6 beautiful brown eggs that my hens have laid. They are large eggs, and 6 is really about all that I can put into this steamer. These are going to take about 17 to 19 minutes in the rice cooker to turn into a hard-boiled egg, which is very similar to the amount of time that it takes when I cook eggs on the top of my stove in boiling water. So I put on the lid, I press down the button. Again, the water will come to a boil and it will cook these eggs in the top of this and click to warm when they are done. Especially with my brown eggs, I find that they can be very difficult to peel because they're very fresh. Older eggs work better for hard-boiled eggs, but we never seem to have many that are very old at our house. So one trick I have is when they're done, I'm going to add some ice to this water, and I put them directly into ice water after they have cooked. So we'll let this machine do its job, and we'll take a look at them in about 19 minutes. Alright, it's time to see if these eggs really are hard-cooked eggs. So here they are in here. I did have one crack, which often happens when I cook them on top of the stove too, but I guess I still use them. So I'm going to move them into my ice water where they can cool for a bit. Alright, we'll let them sit in there for at least 10 minutes. I want them good and chilled before I try to peel them. These have been in the ice water for probably 15 minutes. They're pretty cold, so I'm going to try to peel one here. Just kind of crack it all the way around and start peeling off that shell. They're definitely nice and hard cooked. As I mentioned, sometimes my farm fresh eggs don't peel quite as nicely as I would like, so I've got a little bit there that didn't come off quite so well. There we go. Once you get them started, it's usually not so bad. This end again. Just a little of the egg. Alright, that's pretty good though. Alright, now I would want to rinse this really well before I ate the whole thing, but let's go ahead and cut into that so we can see what we have here. Perfectly hard cooked. Look at that nice center. Just the way you want it. All done in a rice cooker.